how to back up your Android device and update the system. So if you want to back up your Android device and update the system, then here's the method. First, you need to open up your settings, and then you need to go with the system option, or just simply scroll down, go with Google, and under Google, you'll have an option of backup and restore, or just simply go back and go with About Phone. Under About Phone, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of backup and restore. You need to tap on it, and then you can go and select mobile device. You can back up and restore items on your mobile device, or you can back up and restore items on your computer. So if you want to back up your information to your Android device, then you just need to simply go with mobile device right here. Just enter your pattern, and it will calculate what the things that you have on your device, like images, your SMS contacts and call history, your audios, videos, files, other system apps, and third-party apps or app data. So you just need to simply go with backup, which will be on the bottom, and backup will be saved to your device. Like in my case, I'm using MIUI, so it will all be backed up to my MIUI account. It's best to back up and restore on your computer, but if you want to go with your Android device or your mobile device, then it's good too, but I prefer computer. Once you've selected your items, you need to go with backup, which will be on the bottom, and once you've saved your backup, you can go with a new device and just go with restore option, and you'll be able to restore. Now if you want to update the system, then you can go back to your settings again, go with About Phone, and here you need to go and select your version that you are using. Tap on it, and it will check for any updates. If you have any updates on your system, then it will show you that there is an update, and you'll be able to update it from the bottom. In my case, my system is up to date. So that's how you can back up your Android device and update the system. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.